picking up Thanksgiving dinner. These people came here. You got your drink? And that's all the bags there. We're standing in line. They gave us our drinks. Look at that jacket. It's nice. They're so organized. I wish I had got your hands because they're tall. I can't get everything. All the food. Be happy with this.
So, I had the quart of cream corn,
Okay.
the cornbread stuffing, the turkey, the green beans, the cranberry sauce,
Wow.
mac and cheese, and sweet potato mash.
Wow.
So I got my turkey, my mac, sweet potato mash, cranberry sauce, green beans, cornbread dressing, cream corn.
Okay.
Now I just need your bag, and then we'll be good to go. Step number.
Wow. I think he's gonna put it in a bag. They're really organized. You're so nice. What's your name? Because my mama like to see this. Oh. So that was so nice. He brought it all the way from over there to over here. That was so sweet of him.
Yes, it was.
And he told my dad, thank you for his service. That's all the food there, you guys. This is a great amount of food. He said it was in that bag is cutlery, cornbread, reheating instructions. So yeah, y'all, that was very, very nice.
Yes, it was.
So that's roasted turkey breast, cranberry sauce. That's a big old container of that. It's real heavy. Sweet potatoes, what they call this? They call it, oh lordy, what they call it? Granny's sweet potato mash. This is the cornbread dressing. This is the creamed corn. Let's see, yeah, they call it cream corn. This is the green beans and bacon and Maggie's mac and cheese. And then, yeah, I showed y'all the turkey. And it also came with cornbread and sliders or rolls. Alright, I came back to show you guys the other part. Sliders and cornbread. So there you go. That's the cornbread. It look like they got some honey sauce on there or something like that. But yeah, y'all, now that is it.